SakaFed. Hi guys, I'm Roma and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making a quick, easy chicken and rice soup. If you want to see how I do this, keep watching. These are all the ingredients that I will be using to make the soup. So I have some chicken that's already been seasoned. I have some green seasoning in there, garlic powder, onion powder, and a little bit of chicken stock. We have some butternut squash and also some Christophine, fresh thyme, some carrots, celery, onion, garlic, pimento, some green onions, and some parsley. Also some chicken stock, some Maggi, and some parboiled rice. Alright guys, so now I'm going to go over to the stove. So come on over. So now I'm going to heat up the pot and get it started. I'm putting it on high so it heats up very quickly. And guys, while this is cooking, I'm going to be washing my rice and cook it separately because I'm going to add the rice at the end. Just gonna put a little bit of oil in the pan before I add the chicken to the pot. I'm just letting that heat up for a bit and then I'll put the chicken in there. So let's see if this is hot enough. Oh yeah, it's hot enough. So I'm just gonna add that chicken to the pot. Going to cook this a little bit to brown it. Not well, you don't really want it brown, but just to cook it down a bit. Guys, this is a quick soup dinner. If you prep everything ahead of time, you know, and then I'm not a fussy person. I like to do things easy. I don't like any hard cooking. My food is comfort food, basically. That's what it is. I like to prep things ahead of time. So when I come to cook it, it's like, just get it all in and it's done. I'm gonna add some onions here to that. Some carrots and celery. Some garlic. Adding a little bit of water here so it doesn't stick. Next thing, I want to put this all in. This is going to add flavor, but also color. So it's going to look almost like a pumpkin soup. You want this to cook because I want it to dissolve in the soup. I don't want chunks of it. So by the time I'm finished, hopefully this is going to be all melted. It's going to dissolve and it's going to just give me a nice rich color. And I will get the flavor of the squash as well. Okay, so we're just going to put that in there like that. I'm going to add thyme, but what I'm going to do is just tie it so it stays in one whole piece. I can take it out once it's done. And just put that there like that. That's going to add nice flavor to it. I'm going to put my chicken stock. Like if you want to do this and you like chicken broth, you can use chicken broth instead of water, but I use water because then I can put as much as I want. It's cheaper for anyways. And I just add my stock and that's enough. I get the same flavor. So we're just gonna put one Maggi in there for now. And then I'm gonna just add some more water to cover everything up. And I think that's enough just to cover it. I'm gonna add one of this pimento pepper. Now this is not hot. It will add flavor, but there's no heat to it. So what I'm gonna do is just cut it and put it in there. And usually when I buy these, I just freeze them. They stay really good in the freezer. And I'm gonna let that come to a boil, cover it up, and just let it cook away. Now while this is cooking, guys, I'm gonna cook my rice. I'm checking my soup. Look at that. Let's see. So what I'm gonna do is crush these. Just gonna take the back of my spoon and crush them. And it's been cooking for 40 minutes. What I'm gonna do is remove this little thyme now. These things, I wanna take it out of there. Put it here. At this stage, I'm going to add my Christophine. So I'm just going to add that to it. And then I'm going to taste it to see if I need to put more seasoning in there. Put one more Maggi. Some green onions. And some parsley. "20 minutes and then it should be done." So I'll bring it back to a boil. Okay guys, our soup is done. And this is what it looks like. You can see the Christophine. So now it's done. I'm going to add some rice to it. And I'm not going to put all the rice because I don't want it to absorb all my liquid. So we're just going to add some rice to it. Yep, and that's enough rice. See? That's it. You don't want it too thick with the rice, okay guys? So this is good enough. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode. And there you have it guys, our delicious chicken and rice soup. Thank you for watching, and until next time, have a great day and God bless.